Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of our 2016 Audi Q7 S-Line we have new in stock. This Q7 S-Line is a Euro 6 compliant diesel vehicle. The car is finished in Daytona grey metallic. You have quite a nice specification coming on this vehicle. To begin with, some of the S-Line features, you've got the front and rear sportier designed bumpers, the platinum grey diffuser inserts, the chrome tailpipes, you've got the S-Line alloy wheels, your LED daytime running lights at the front. You've got the S-Line sport seats as well, half Alcantara, half leather. You can see the S-Line badging on the back. You've got full electric functions with lumbar support. You've got the optional memory package for the driver's seat. You can also see you've got the electronic heated and folding door mirrors as another optional feature. You've got your leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel with the S-Line badging as well. Your leather-wrapped gear selector on the centre console, some of your infotainment controls, your touchpad. You've got your climate control functions. Further up you can see you've got the options for the self-parking system, which is part of the Park Assist pack. This is another optional feature the car comes with. You also have the parking sensors with the 360 view surround camera as part of this package. That's available to see on the centre screen, along with some of your other features such as DAB radio. Lastly, you can see in the rear you've got plenty of boot space, and you've also got a spare alloy wheel as well. If you'd like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this Q7 S-Line, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.